Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make black grape jam. This recipe has a very unique taste and flavor that doesn't exist in the store-bought ones. We'll not be adding any preservatives in this recipe, so definitely a very healthy one. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I've taken 500 grams of black grapes. Clean wash it and keep it ready. This variety of grapes is seedless. If you're using the ones with seeds, then you have to remove them. Transfer the grapes to a mixer jar and grind it to a smooth paste. Heat a pan and transfer the mixture to the pan. To this, add 4 tablespoons of sugar and mix it well in medium flame. Continue to mix for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the grape juice is bubbling. Continue to mix in medium flame for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the grape juice has reduced by half. At this stage, simmer the flame and continue to mix for another 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, the grape juice is nice and thick. We have the perfect dripping consistency, so off the flame. Allow the jam to cool completely. It will become more thick when cooled. Now a delicious black grape jam is ready. You can enjoy this right away with your family and friends. Store it in an airtight container and you can enjoy for 2 months' time. Very easy, delicious and a very healthy recipe. So do try this black grape jam recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.